Today we're going to find the area of a circle. Okay. So we've been working with area a little bit, and now we're going to move on to circles, which are a little bit more difficult. Well, maybe more difficult, depending. Okay. So first, let's write the formula down. Area for a circle is pi r squared. Okay. So let's just dive right in and try one out. Okay. So that r stands for the radius. Okay, and then pi is that irrational number that keeps going on, 3.14159, yada yada yada. Okay. When we type it in, we're going to use the pi button on our calculator and get our decimal from that. Remember on the calculator that we have, if you want to change from, I'll just write this as a little note over here, change from fraction to decimal, you use the button that has the two arrows on it pointing opposite directions. Okay, so if you have the answer you want, but it's kind of in a fraction, or your answer might say 3 pi or something, but you want to know what 3 times pi actually is, just push that button and it'll change it for us. Okay, so here we go. We have two different types of problems, one where they give us the radius and one where they give us the diameter. Okay, and we'll find the radius. Okay, this first problem, they give us a circle with a radius of 3. So r in this problem is 3 inches. Okay, well, let's plug that in to find its area. The area of this circle is pi r squared. So pi times 3 squared. Okay, well, 3 squared is 9. And I'm just going to change which side of the pi symbol that the 9 is on. Okay, and then I'll type this into my calculator. 9 pi is actually, a lot of people would prefer this answer. That's the exact answer. Okay, if we were looking for an exact answer, that would be the one. Okay, let's find a rounded one because that means more to us on a day-to-day basis. Okay, and if I put 9 pi in my calculator and then push the 2 arrows button, I get 28, and let's round to the nearest tenth. So this was 28.274, so 28.3, and this would be our rounded answer. Okay, so that is using the radius. Well, we're going to use the radius every time, but some of the problems we're at to find the radius, like on this next one. Okay, this next one, it gives us a circle with a diameter of 16. Okay, 16 meters. So if you remember, radius is exactly half the diameter, so this has a radius of 8 meters. Okay, so let's come over here. So it's pi r squared, so pi times 8 squared. Some of you can probably do this in your head. 8 squared is 64, so we have 64 pi's. Oh, you know what? I forgot the. Let's go back here a second. I forgot the label on this one, on both these answers. 9 pi inches and 28.3 inches. Sorry about that. Skipping around. Okay, and then 64 pi. Just type that into the calculator to get that rounded answer. That would come in more handy for us. 201.1. This is meters, both of these. Okay, so again, that's the exact answer. And this one is rounded. Okay, and that's a short little lesson on finding the area of a circle.